Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz around the budget-friendly yet powerful Moto G Power 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Moto G Power 5G features a sleek and modern design with a glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame. It comes in a stylish dark blue color. The design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The Moto G Power 5G is designed to be ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Plus, it boasts a water-repellent design, ensuring durability against everyday spills and splashes. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Moto G Power 5G features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The thin bezels and high screen-to-body ratio contribute to a more immersive experience, and the touch sampling rate ensures that every touch is registered instantly. This is crucial for gamers who need precise and responsive controls. Additionally, the display supports up to 500 nits peak brightness, enhancing visibility even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, the Moto G Power 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 930 chipset. This processor is designed to deliver solid performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the Moto G Power 5G can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Let's break down what this means for everyday use. The Dimensity 930 is built on a 6nm process, making it more power efficient and capable of higher performance. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. For gamers, this chipset promises to deliver high frame rates and reduced latency, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, the AI capabilities of the Dimensity 930 are enhanced, allowing for better camera performance, smarter voice assistance, and improved battery management. Imagine taking photos with advanced AI features that automatically adjust settings for the best shot, or having a voice assistant that understands and responds to your commands more accurately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Moto G Power 5G features a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro camera. The front camera is a 16MP sensor, optimized for selfies and video calls. With advanced AI capabilities, the camera can automatically adjust settings to capture the best shot in any scenario. Whether you're taking photos in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Moto G Power 5G's camera is designed to deliver stunning results. The inclusion of Gyro EIS ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Moving on to memory and storage, the Moto G Power 5G comes with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. With 6GB of RAM, you can keep more apps open in the background without experiencing any slowdown. And with 256GB of storage, you'll have ample space for all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and large game files. Additionally, the Moto G Power 5G supports microSD, offering expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Moto G Power 5G doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the 15W wired charging will get you back up and running in no time. With a 5000 mAh battery, you can expect up to 12 hours of screen on time, depending on your usage. And with 15W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 90 minutes. This ensures that you spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your phone. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Moto G Power 5G stand out. It includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, NFC for contactless payments, and the latest Android 14 with Motorola's MyUX interface. So, there you have it, folks. The Moto G Power 5G is shaping up to be an impressive budget contender with top-of-the-line features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Moto G Power 5G? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.